this is glorious, it's time for a barbecue. Let me show you the Vietnamese way. So the first dish I'm going to show you is some marinade prawns. And when you get such good quality prawns like these, keep them nice and simple. What I'm going to do is just add some garlic granules, because I'm going to pair these with a mango salad. Generally, it would also put a little bit of sesame on them, but I think with the mango salad, the sesame oil might overtake the mango taste. So very simply, just liberally dot them with some garlic powder, garlic granule, and then just leave them for at least half an hour in the fridge. So following on a surf and turf theme, I've got some beautiful Jagyu rump from my friend Georgie at Norfolk and Better Farm. When you marinate and skewer it, it's perfect on the barbecue. It's really tender and full of flavour. This Jagyu is really special because the fabulous flavour comes from pedigree Jersey cow, coupled with succulent marble purebred Wagyu. So it's a great combination. If you haven't tried it before, give it a go. It's delicious. So what we need to do first is just crush the garlic. I just have one, so I'm going to quickly give it a good grind. And all we need to do next is just add the mixture together. So oyster sauce, a little bit of soy, a teaspoon of good honeys. I'm using Louisa's Honey Acacia. So it's got a lovely, lovely floral of vanilla behind it, which suits really well for this beef. And then we just need to add a tiny bit of pepper, white for Vietnamese cooking, and then give it a little stir. So you get a little bit salty, sweet, a little heat from the pepper, and then a nuttiness from the sesame. And last, the sesame. So the beef's been hung for at least 28 days, so it's going to be beautiful and succulent. So what I'm going to do is going to take the fat off, and then we're going to slice it thinly. And you can see the marbling from the Wagyu, and then you're going to get the beautiful flavour from the Jersey. So it's a great combination of the two. And then all you do is just put the marinade through. These are great in half an hour, or if you can, do them overnight, they taste even better. I wish you can smell it. It smells amazing, and it's not even cooked yet. So into the fridge, and then we go back and skewer it for you. And the next thing I'm going to do is going to give you some lovely lemongrass and chili ribs. They're a favourite in my family and really quick to do. So when you buy lemongrass, and from the Asian store, sometimes they come this size, don't use the bottom half, just take that bit off because it's quite fibrous, and then just use the top bit. And what you need to do is just take the tough bit out. You can see this really tough part, just take that off, and then that's the perfect bit to use. Yeah, just release all the oil from the lemongrass, and also get your aggression up if you had a bad day. This is a good way to do it. Slice it, not too thinly. Oh, I can really smell now. The lemongrass fragrance is actually everywhere. And you can pound it, but I just haven't got time today. So we're going to put it in a food processor. Add one chili. Actually, this is optional. If you have children, leave it out. I quite like it spicy, so I'm leaving all the seeds inside, but do take it out if you're not keen on the spiciness. Get that lovely smell of lemongrass and a good hit to chili. Just add the sugar to the fish sauce. Give it a stir. Just pop that in here. Just make sure You rub the meat with decent amount of marinade and then leave it in the fridge again for half an hour overnight. Much better overnight if you have time, but to be honest, we're going to cook these. According to my fishmonger, they should cook in 6 minutes, so 3 in each side. Check out my lovely Hexclad pan. Look at that, so pretty. These hexagons are what help to distribute the heat. It's really high technology. I just love cooking on it. Oh my gosh, the prawn smells so good. I think it's convenient that you don't need to use different influences. You can just use metal. And the other thing is it's lifetime warranty, which is brilliant because I'm super clumsy, so that would be very handy. So I did these right at the end because they won't take long, just a couple of minutes each side, because the Firepit is raging hot. It's actually cooking beautifully. As I turn it over, the fat is dripping to the fire and it's just giving a little smoke thing, so nothing to worry about. It just adds to the flavour and the smell, it's just amazing. Wish you were here to smell it and actually eat it too. Okay, Vietnamese chicken, lemongrass and chili ribs. This is my barbecue prawn on a mango salad as part of my Vietnamese barbecue feast.